Hello, I'm here to demonstrate about the experiment number 4 of the Unix lab. You are 14CS016. So here the basic thing I want to do is the base conversion using shell scripting, that is without using obase and ibase. So first I'll tell you each of the thing what I'm going to do. Binary to decimal conversion. So for example here a binary number I'm considering as 0. So if I have to convert into decimal number, I will multiply 0 into 2 power 0, this 0 into 2 power 1, 1 into 2 power 2. So what all answers I will get, I will add them. So 0 plus 4. That is 4 is the decimal number after conversion. Decimal to binary conversion. So in decimal to binary conversion, I will be given a decimal number, that is for example 12. So I will divide it by 2. Now I'll get the remainder 6 and 6 is the quotient and the remainder is 0. Now next 6 I'll divide it by 2. 3 is the quotient and remainder is 0. Then I will divide 3 by 2. So remainder is 1. Then uh, another one. Now another one remains. After one I will be divided, so it will be 1 1 0 0. So that is the thing. Next, binary to decimal conversion. Now binary to decimal conversion, it is the same thing. I'll multiply 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Decimal to binary conversion also is same. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Now I'll be given a number 100. So hexadecimal 0 into 16 power 0, 0 into 16 power 1, 1 into 16 power 2. So I'll add all of them and I'll get the decimal number. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. So now here I'm going to do write a shell scripting convert binary to decimal. Enter a number. Now I'll take the number. Now while binary is element less or equal to 0, do binary equal b number equal to hash dollar of binary equal to 0, power equal to 1. So while binary is now when I will do that, I will again divide it by 10, modulus 10, then I will store that in the remainder. Now what I will do, the decimal part of it plus the remainder whole into power. What is the power into 0 into 1, how much ever it will be. Now that will be stored in the decimal part. Now in the power part, it will be dollar of power into 2. Okay. So that will be stored in the power. Now all this will be done and will be divided by binary by 10. So echo decimal number equal to dollar of decimal. Here, enter the binary number, the hexadecimal value will be displayed. The next one, convert into decimal to binary. I have told you decimal to binary is, now I'll be given a decimal number that I have to do it by binary. So I have to divide it by 2. So it's the same thing. See, I'm dividing expression modulus 2. Then again, I will divide it by 2. Then again, I'm storing it in bin. So I will again do this loop till the number is over. Now finally I will display this expression. So here is the output for that. Now to convert into hexadecimal to decimal, from hexadecimal to decimal. In hexadecimal to decimal, I will get a number that I have to, when I get a number that I have to convert it in the form of a decimal. So I will be writing zeros and ones, and that I will group and form it into a decimal part. So this is the code for that. So first I'm going to do a while loop. Then if it's less than 0, then I'm going to store the hexa part into a variable called hexanum. So first I'm initializing decimal to 0 and power to 1. So while it is less than 0, I will be doing modulus by 10. Then I'm storing the decimal plus the remainder power, into power. So now next the power into 16. So I'll be multiplying into 16. Now the expression I'm going to divide it by 10, and that I'm going to store in the hexa value. Then later I'll be displaying it. So this is the output for that. Now write a shell script to convert binary to decimal. So here I will do O base equal to 16, I base equal to 2. So binary I'm going to divide it by the converting of binary to hexadecimal. So it'll group four things, and I will write the equivalent value of it. Okay, so here is the thing. I will give the number and will be displaying it in the binary form. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.